Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. मैं एक छोटा सा नायका हॉल लेके आई हूँ क्योंकि मैंने काफ़ी चीज़ें खरीदी and I thought let's share. Without further ado, let's start. These are lens. ये actually yellow lenses हैं. With that, I got a lens solution, एक eye case, and this is to put the lens, which I really badly needed. Next up, I got this Blue Heaven kajal. Now you might be wondering why. मैं बहुत फेस पेंटिंग करती हूँ. I need really creamy काजल and these are really creamy. ये Blue Heaven का काजल जो है ये 65 rupees का मुझे चार्ज हुआ. Then as it was my birthday month, I got this Masaba lipstick from NYKAA. उन लोगों ने दिया and it's a very beautiful color actually. I really like it. So this is in the shade Believe in You. Very pretty shade, but I don't like the packaging. Then I got a bunch of Swiss Beauty lip liners. ये काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, मैंने यूज़ भी किया and काफ़ी अच्छे लगे. These retail for 55 rupees. Then I got my favorite concealer, which is this Swiss Beauty concealer. ये मुझे correction के लिए काफ़ी काम आएगा. So I got this as well. This costed me around 165 or something, 185. This is the shade number 1, Warm Sand. Then I got this very beautiful Rimmel का white kajal. I saw it on internet. Someone was using it and I really liked it. Just look at how pigmented it is. The last thing that I got is this Insight ka blush. I searched it everywhere. This is only available on NYKAA and the Insight website, I guess. This is in the shade 06 and the shade name is Caramel Eclair. You get 3.5 gram of product with for 75 only, which is a great deal. Okay, and you can use this on lips as well, as it's a cream blush. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up. And अगर आपको कोई भी review चाहिए तो let me know, I'll do it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.